Hey, Kelly, look at these crazy birds.
Oh my
They're
gosh.
doing like some weird like dance or ritual or something. They're like throwing little pieces of leaves and stuff up in the air and uh-oh.
They're playing.
I've been recording them for a while. You wouldn't believe some of the weird activity they've been doing. I was thinking about putting it on YouTube. There we go. So they're doing this. Like they're picking up these leaves and throwing them in the air. See, look at that. See how she's throwing it up in the
Oh
air?
my gosh. Oh.
They're like freaking out, man. Maybe they're like,
Crazy. Oh. Oh my gosh. What have you been feeding them, Jerry?
I don't know. I'm thinking maybe there's something in the grass, like
Like catnip or